Hi guys, and welcome back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy Thanksgiving side dish. So for that, I have some corn here, some corn on the cob, and we're going to roast them in the oven and just make a delicious side dish to your Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, I have these delicious corn here. Still got a little husk on it. It's fresh corn. And what we're going to do, we're going to make a butter sauce, and we're just going to spread it over these, get them in the 425-degree oven for about 45 minutes. And you got beautiful roasted corn. Took no time at all to prepare. You know you're doing all this other crazy stuff on Thanksgiving morning. You're cleaning, you're getting the last touches in, you vacuuming, you're doing this, and you're trying to cook all this food, all of this at the same time. Trying to get ready for your guests. This is a quick side dish to get you there. Alright guys, let's go. So I have 1 stick of butter, and I have 5 ears of corn. So I have 1 stick of butter here. I have some onion powder. I'm just going to put it in here. I have some sazon. So if you're using a packet, just use a half a packet. Not much. Some garlic powder. Then I got some Slap Your Mama seasoning, but any Cajun seasoning will do. And some black pepper. I have some extra virgin olive oil. Pour right inside, like so. About a tablespoon of that. Then just come in with your spoon, with your softened butter, and you just, I guess my butter not that soft. I should have put it in the microwave for a couple seconds, but you're gonna put this on a cookie sheet. If you don't have a cookie sheet, a roasting pan, a wide pan would work. And you just mix this all in here, just like this. You just get it all mixed in. It's all seasoned for you. And I don't have to do much. I have I'm using my spreader. My spatula that I use to spread frosting on my cakes with, and we're just going to use that. You're going to take it, and we're just going to rub it all on here, just like so. And you're going to bring it up to yourself, and that way the whole entire corn gets hit up. You can even stand it up like this. You don't want to make a mess. And just spread it on. You can use a table knife for this if you don't have one of these spatulas. You can find these in like the dollar store, wherever, right? So you got that one done, and you just spreading it all over. Alright, next one. And you know guys, do whatever is easiest for you. If this way is easy for you, then do it this way, right? Or you need to stand it up. Or even if you just need to do them both. Try to mix that all up in there. Drop some on here. And just get it all in here in the cracks. Just like so. Just set that one down. And you just keep doing them until they all done. I mean, this is a quick video, quick, easy. I mean, how easy is this? Come on now. season for you. I done seasoned this thing, the butter up for you. We got some Cajun seasoning on there. You can even add some lemon juice to this, some lime juice as it come out of the oven. And put some limes beside it on your platter and make it look fancy. But yeah, all of that. Thanksgiving is one of my busiest 3 days of my life. Can I just tell y'all guys? Thanksgiving is so busy for me. Like, I'm cleaning, extra cleaning, like the bathroom. I'm cleaning spots that I, normally don't clean. And then, I'm not saying normally don't clean, but don't, I might spot hit it. I'll be dirty because don't nobody be in that section. But because you got nosy family members coming in, you doing some extra cleaning. If y'all guys know what I'm talking about. And you don't want them to see anything out of place. So you're looking for stuff. You moving the couch. You underneath the couch. You're underneath the couch. You done pulled up all your throw rugs and cleaning underneath of them, scrubbing, rolling them up, scrubbing underneath of them. If you got carpet, you doing some extra cleaning on your carpet. You buying, renting carpet cleaners, or if you already have one, you breaking it out. Or wherever you have it, the basement, the garage, the closets. You doing all of this extra stuff. But you don't want nobody to see any type of disarray, because you don't want to give nobody nothing to talk about. And that's what be happening with Thanksgiving. Like, yeah, I went over her house. She had some dust on her knickknacks. Alright, hold on. Let me clean up this mess. And then we're going to put it on. Alright, so I got my cookie sheet, my parchment paper. And we're going to get this butter, corn, roasted corn down. So we're going to roast this baby up. It's going to have plenty of butter on there. Plenty of seasoned butter. And you can get some of that Curry Gold butter, herb butter. And probably like put on there or whatever. But if you want a budget like me, get this done. Yeah. See, you're gonna find some spots. And you don't be wanting to put a whole lot. Mess with that Curry Gold, because that stuff like $10. You in the grocery store making life decisions now. Alright, so got my corn out, getting it right in this oven. I have 5 corns. We're going right in the oven and roast on a 425-degree oven for about 45 minutes, and we'll be back. So these are fresh out of the oven. Absolutely beautiful. So what you do is this. Alright, before you serve, just sprinkle a little lemon juice on these babies. And then shake a little parsley on them, give them a little green look. And they ready to serve. Looking absolutely beautiful. This is what you want when you get a meal for Thanksgiving. These are absolutely attractive, beautiful roasted corn. Took 45 minutes in the oven. get so much other stuff in the oven with this corn and ain't gotta worry about it. Absolutely beautiful. Got nice crust on them. I just sprinkle with a little lemon juice. It's already got that butter on there. It was cooked in butter. This is going to be absolutely amazing. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always guys, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you next video.